Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through the leads module of the CRM I built in Airtable. This is where lead follow-up, accountability, and conversion all come together. I cover the three most important views, the three KPIs, key KPIs on the dashboard, and how leads can automatically convert from downstream when they're ready. So let's get into it. First is your leads views, right? So here you can see all your leads ever, but the ones that are critical are the ones that need action. So these show up in this view if either they don't have an owner or if there's no due date, right? So once you resolve these, then they are removed from this view, but every lead should have an owner and an action date so that you can make sure that all the leads are being followed up with in a timely way. You can import them at a regular interval. Say you need them to follow up within a few days or a week, whatever that is, make sure every lead has a due date and an owner. So the next is my leads, right? You can see which ones are assigned to you specifically, and you can also see the ones that are overdue, so you can follow up with your team and make sure that they have enough time or get into the details as to why they're not able to keep up with the leads that are coming in. So those are the most important views. You can come in here and see these different leads in a detailed format where you have them in more of a form view. But then the next is getting into the key KPIs of your leads dashboards and your leads module. And there are three things I want to know when I am looking at leads. One is where are my leads coming from and how are they converting, right? So this is your source table, right? Where you can see, or your bar chart, where you can see which channel, marketing channel are your leads coming from and where are they most converting from. You can see what stages they're in, and then you can see by rep which leads are overdue, right? This allows you to quickly and easily see who's struggling to keep up with their leads and allows you to follow up with them directly. So these are recently converted or recently disqualified table, which is nice to see as well when you're talking on the weekly updates. And then finally, conversions by company type, by rep, and by industry are super helpful to make sure you're putting your marketing dollars in the right spot. So this is your leads module and interface in Airtable. Of course, there's a data background to this, but I'll go into one and just show you how it converts and how that goes through this conversion process. So I'm going to open the actual record and go to the data view where I can click on convert lead, and it's going to walk me through this automation script that I built in Airtable, and I'll provide a link to the code and the details in the description. But here you can come in and you can, the first question is when you convert this lead as someone that's relevant to you and your business, the first question is, do you want to just create them as a contact and a company account where you can keep them in your Rolodex for later because they're relevant to you and your business? Or do you want to do that and create an opportunity at the same time? So if the answer is that there's an opportunity right now, then you would say yes, there's an opportunity as well. It's going to go through a list of checks and references to make sure that the account doesn't already exist and do a bunch of logic in there. But then it will go ahead and automatically create the account, the contact, and the opportunity in Airtable, as well as in OneDrive or whatever document management system you're using. It'll go and create those folders for you automatically, which I will cover in a separate video. So now I can go through and look at the contact for that specific lead, see that they were created, look at the account and check that it was created, as well as the opportunity just being created as well. So more to come in how to create those folders automatically, and that'll come in another separate video. But the key point is that everything stays organized from first touch all the way through to closed deal in an automated, consistent way across your platform and across your enterprise data. And that's a quick walkthrough of the leads module. Let me know if you want to take a deeper dive into any part of this, or if you'd like me to show some more of the automation logic in the background. Thanks. Cheers.